Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and happy Halloween. I know it's late, but I'm still gonna drop this video. But today I'm gonna show you how I created this look. I created her. So her name, like, she doesn't have a name, but she's a ripped jaw nanny, grandma or whatever. And so basically what I was doing in the first clip was I was creating her tongue, and now I applied liquid latex on my cheeks, and I applied cotton ball and spirit glue to keep the cotton balls on my face. And now I'm taking toilet tissue, like you can use your toilet tissues because it's like thinner or whatever, and you just want to put that over your cheeks, like the bottom jaw. This is gonna play as like the skin that's coming off of the face. And this is extra like liquid latex that I was using for another Halloween look that I did. I did the what is it, Freddy Cougar, but I'm gonna post that also. And now I'm going in with some more tissue, and I'm just making them in a triangle like shape, and I'm just applying them to my neck. I got this from a YouTuber. I got this she called it like an exploded jaw. I got it from a YouTuber. I'll have her name listed down below, but she is really, like, she's bomb. Like, she snapped. Like, you guys got to check her out and see how she did it. I don't know if you guys still going out tonight for some Halloween parties. I don't know if it's done with. I don't know if y'all done turning up, but yeah. So now I'm going in with my foundation, because now I'm gonna create the old age look. So this is NARS, my favorite foundation in New Caledonia. And I'm just taking this brush and I'm just like literally like lightly applying the foundation on my skin. And then now I'm going in with a brown pencil, and I'm just lightly creating like a nice brow, but it doesn't really matter. Now I'm going in with Ben 9's shadow. It's like a cream shadow, and I'm just applying the cream like in like where you normally would like see shadows, or like just think about like when you're old and you kind of see all the lines on your face. I'm just kind of going off of that, and I'm just like squinting my face and scrunching it up and I'm just applying the cream on there. So it's like a draft right now, and then later I go in with like a deeper brown and black, and you will definitely see the lines. And I don't have any wrinkles on my forehead, like any lines on my forehead, so I had to create some. And now you see me going in with some scissors. Now I don't want to tell you guys to do this, but I couldn't find my other like scissors. But just be careful if you're gonna do this. But yeah, I don't want to say do it, so just be very careful because you can cut yourself, and you can get hurt. But now you see me applying like a darker brown and some black mixed, and I'm just filling in the shadows. And then I went behind camera and I applied the foundation all over my skin and also on the latex. And now I'm just peeling off the latex off my skin and my my neck and my jaw, to create like my skin kind of like peeled off and it's like hanging. So that's what I'm basically doing right now. I'm just cutting up the latex because it's much easier, but please be careful when you do this. Also with the old age, I went in with some highlight to define like the shadows so they can look, realistic and you can see it better. Now I'm going in with some setting powder, and I'm just setting the latex because it was applied on my skin and now we're pulling it off. So now I'm applying some black paint on my neck and my jaw. This is from the NYX SFX palette. So now that's all covered up, I'm going in with the red, and I'm just painting the inside and the outside of the latex on my face, just to create like it's, all messy, and her jaw just got ripped and there's blood everywhere. So I'm just painting that in, and this took a long time, you guys. I'm also cleaning the ripped skin. So, and I also went in with the red paint on the tongue and on my neck area where the skin is hanging off. So it took a while, so you just got to be patient. I'm so extra. But I'm putting on this wig that I bought from the Halloween store, and I'm trying to like fix it up, make it look nice, but also kind of messy and crazy. Now I went in with some blood, and I basically went over the same places where I applied the red paint, and I got my stipple brush, and I'm just applying the blood like it's splattered everywhere on my jaw and my cheeks. And then I put in these the fake teeth that I also bought from the Halloween store, and these glasses that I had for a long time, and I just put them on, and now I'm just showing you the blood that I use. And here's a close-up. Yes, guys, here's a close-up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and sticking around. Happy Halloween, and I hope you like this look. Subscribe to this channel. Bye.